Hello everyone, this is Dr. Haque from Holistic Health Clinic. Today I'd like to give you 10 most effective tips that you can apply on your life when you are intermittent fasting to get most benefit out of fasting. As all of you know that fasting is very important on your detox your body, losing weight, curbing down or controlling the insulin resistance, getting out of the diabetes, heart disease, cancer, autoimmune, and many other diseases, or staying healthy, improving your health. Because when you fasting, your insulin doesn't need to be secreted enough, so body can work on the insulin resistance. As you know, insulin resistance is the main cause of so many major diseases, and body go to ketosis, body take calorie, body produce the ATP from the ketone through the fat instead of glycogen or instead of sugar molecule or carbohydrate. So fasting makes the ketosis that helps you not only the burning the fat cell, it also makes you antiviral and antibiotic. Also, fasting helps you macrophages. Macrophages, it clean up the unwanted, undigested, and all the toxicity. You see, so many benefit you can get when you are intermittent fasting. So today I'd like to give you 10 most effective tips. Number one is when you break your fast. When you break your fast, suppose you started your fasting, after dinner, you ate dinner, you 8 o'clock, and you fasting, you break your fast at 2 o'clock next day, or 4 o'clock, or at noon following day. When you break your fast, instead of getting too much carb, instead of getting too much fatty substances, get lots of plant-based whole food healthy diet, and get a lot of water, drink a lot of water. So with a hydrating your body, nutrifying your body, getting some fat to give you enough energy. You see, that's how you balance instead of getting without looking at what you're eating or getting some carb. Do not take carb. You have to cut down your carb when you're fasting. And number two is intermittent fasting. To get the best benefit, you cannot have processed food, because processed food have a lot of calorie. Calorie is not that bad though when it comes to the right source. But when you have a processed food, they have a lot of a lot of calorie. Also, they have a lot of synthetic chemical to preserve, to package, or to can the food. So synthetic chemical is going to be harmful, and processed food is going to be harmful because processed food has no nutrient. When you process a food, then when process a food, the problem is that it changes the structure of the molecule of the food. So body cannot take as a food, body take as a garbage. So do not take garbage. Do not take packaged and canned food. Make your own meal, and cook it and keep it whole. Do not overcook it. Of course, that's thing you can do, like synthetic oil, like a white salt, white sugar. This is also processed food, like a soda, like a there are many other food you can see. Processed meat, don't do that. Number three is plan ahead. What are you going to be eating when you break your fast? 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock, or noon. You have to plan on it. Otherwise, you're gonna be eating whatever you have in the fridge. And the easy thing you can get is unhealthy food. So don't go whatever. Plan ahead when you break your fast and where you are intermittent fasting. Number fourth tips is chew your food properly. When you chew your food properly, body can digest better, body can nutrify you better, so you can feel energetic, you won't feel weak, you won't feel all the health problem, because undigested food which comes from not chewing properly, that is gonna produce a lot of toxicity, because that's also make leaky guts. Number five is digestion. When you intermittent fasting, you have to think about what can digest your food better when you're eating. Suppose you break your fast, eat something which can help you digest your food better, like some acid, like put some olive, put some lemon, put some apple cider vinegar. Also, second, another thing you could do is probiotic, like a yogurt, of course, sugar-free yogurt, kombucha, kimchi, sauerkraut, or make your own yogurt at home. So this probiotic and acid could boost up your digestion. That can help you to get best out of intermittent fasting, losing your weight, get rid of the disease. Number 6 is stay hydrated. When you intermittent fasting, you are not fasting without any food. Make sure keep drinking water with apple cider vinegar, with lemon, with aloe vera, with some mint, so that you can get some herbal. The best fasting is being hydrated, get some herbal, herbal medicine, because every herbal ingredient are like a natural medicine. They have its own health property, so that you can get best, you know, best support. You can get best out of it when you get herbal medicine, intermittent fasting, hydrating your body. That's gonna be, you're gonna be careful. Also, one more thing, do not drink coffee. If you drink coffee or beverages, coffee type substances like a green tea. Green tea also have a caffeine. So when you intermittent fasting, do not drink coffee. Coffee gonna make dehydrate your body. It's gonna flush out the mineral from your body. You ended up, you're gonna gaining weight. You're gonna be more sick. So be careful with that. Stay hydrated. Number 7 is don't overeat when you break your fast. Suppose you broke your fast, you cannot eat like, you know, as much you want. No, still be moderate. And if you want to more lot of food, if you're very hungry, get a lot of plant based. Too much plant based is not a big problem. So unless you get it, 20 pound of broccoli, but still 20 pound broccoli is not gonna be a problem as eating a sandwich from the outside. So don't overeat with a carb, with a too much fat. Fat is good. Get the moderate is the best. And number 8 is exercise. When you're intermittent fasting, make sure you exercise. Any type of exercise, yoga, running, freehand, you got playing in the park, or go to the gym. Whatever you do, keep exercising, and intermittent fasting combined is the best that you can do to achieve your goal. In that intermittent fasting, when you start, when you're taking your dinner, suppose you're gonna be fasting from dinner to following day noon or 2 o'clock. When you're having your dinner, make sure do not have too much carb on it. If too much carb in the dinner, that will be not helping you to achieve your goal, because if you have a carb, body will take ATP, body will take calorie from the carbohydrate or from the glycogen, not from the ketosis. So your fat will not burn. So don't eat too much carb. Very small amount of carb is okay, but don't take carb when you are intermittent fasting. Number 10. This is the last one, not the least. Do not be too busy. People are busy. People are go. No, you have to take rest, relax, take it easy. Resting is the key to fat burn, to boost up immune system, to detox. So you gotta be fasting. Fasting will be very much helpful to achieve your goal. Anyway, that's all I have for you. And if you get benefited from my talk, please share with others, benefit others, and let me know how you get benefited. And if you have any question, let me know. I'll be happy to answer your question. And again, thank you again. I'm Dr. Haque from Houston, Texas. Please let me know. Bye.